una get for prepare una self. You want marry Bamenda woman, you know. You want marry number 4, you want marry Bakure. You want marry number 4, Nambengui. Let me say meta woman. Una get for prepare una self. How the thing it work out for the way the thing work out. Before when I want look out for the way when I look the thing don't go for where you go be. Countrywoman, I throw a big time salute for all now. May we start, they were Tori day, baby time Tori. What happen? Some man, what they call it say Pascal. There, I no one give real name, na just Pascal I call him. What happen with Pascal? Pascal take his own pikin, where he born him. He take him, he put him for down, he climb on top. He climb on top of a pikin, he begin tolicate a pikin. He make tolication for a pikin, so take for up, for down. You understand what I mean? That means say he take it for before, for back, for before, for back. Now the very wonderful thing that way it happens. So scandal upon scandal for the high level of scandal. Now the catching now, they put her for ngatta. The judge am small, he never finish, Magistrate Margaret, he put it for ngatta. After, he never said in ngatta, the movie, the free. Now so, State Council don't vex. State Council say, now can thing this happen so. Them say, some man feel rape his own pikin. And then at the end of the day, he goes scotch free so. Wonderful parabat. As I return for una so, State Council, that means say they call for France, say, procureur. He don't take that man back, he throw him for his kondengi. That man where he rape his own pikin. He rape his pikin for play with pikin, he go for toilet with him. And then rape pikin for play with one pikin go big, if he born his own pikin with him. Now that kind of thing the way, that he pass self witchcraft. Now thing where he pass self, that thing where they call say, entanglement. That means say, if you hear say entanglement, that thing pass entanglement. Countryman, my countrywoman. The mommy for that pikin, he cried yesterday for television. He cried. He didn't sorry. He cried. Say the thing don't pass the power. Papa for pikin take pikin. Tolicate him. Instead of say, may they understand. Say they never put you for prison. Me serve prison term. May the thing qualify for it so that another people go look and say an example that they want you free. They get that mago where they want make up for papa for lidol. Where they take it go for here, they make up. They want protect it. Now because say it creates social media frenzy. Hey, Senator, you don't talk grammar. Social media frenzy. That means say play shake. It make tout le monde bouger, tout le monde bouger. Yes. Now so they carry go for ngatta. So the man, when a Pascal, if it say oh don't finish, say don't come out for prison, for begin continue for do him again. Because if a man fit sleep with his pikin, for play with pikin, he go toilet with him. Sleep go play with pikin, go born his own pikin, that go big because that's small pikin, even in a big pikin. That very man, if he do any kind of baba thing for all place. So we must be very, very careful, countryman, countrywoman. Mommy them, wanna be careful, I know say till it happen, but wanna be very careful with that kind of papa them.